Hi guys, welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a SpongeBob, amongst other things, variations on a SpongeBob too. Doesn't have to be a SquarePants, right? We'll come back to that. We start off with shapes, as we always do. You should know that by now. If you've been watching the channel, we're going to draw a square like this, slightly on an angle. He has a SquarePants, obviously. Then on the side of this, we're going to draw a little line coming down like that. We're going to draw a slight triangle coming down to almost meet the bottom there. You can see that's already giving that sort of a 3D effect already, can't you? That's what's coming in there. And then we're going to move these things down a little bit, because I don't think it's going to be long enough to do quite a whole SpongeBob. So we're going to just meet that there again. And I'm going to just gently pencil in where I think the eyes are going to go. So probably big eye, one there. The eyes overlap there and there, only rough at this stage, and their nose is going to come up like that. So sausage. That's what you're going to need for your nose, a sausage. We all love sausages. Then from around the halfway on your sausage there, you're going to pull it out like that and put it back here. Then you're going to come back here, and where that line comes to under the eye, you're going to draw another circle there, about that big. And that's where that mouth is going to be like that. And then we're going to move that down and up like that. It's a swoopy line like that. You can do it straight up like that, doesn't matter. And then you've got his teeth coming in there and there. Again, just two circles. The tongue, two lines, like almost like a wave there. Then again, pencil in where his eyes are going to be looking like that. Circles in circles. He's already taken shape, isn't he? Put his eyelashes in there. Again, you can just, if you're not happy with that shape, you can just change where these bits are going on there. No detail at this stage, just sort of structure. We're building the skeleton of the drawing here as we go. And then coming down like this, and pull that across there a bit more. And then we're going to have his little trouser legs coming down like that. Again, this is only rough. You can do your own variations on these as well. Draw an arm, quickly come like this, then a circle. That helps you do the palm, and then little sausages again coming off there to help guide you where the fingers are going to go. Another one coming down straight like that, sausage. Put the fingers coming off down like that, and then a thumb on that side. Remember to get the thumb on the right side. It's a mistake I often make, but the thumb on the wrong way looks all wrong. So then you can start putting a bit more detail in. He's got little belt loops that do this. I'm doing this from memory, so forgive me if I forget some of the detail on here. But sausages again coming down there for legs. Big, like stones in the front there for the front of his boots. And then you can do the back as a little circle. So he's all made up of little bits of various different shapes. I feel like I've forgotten something major on SpongeBob. What have I forgotten? I don't know. He's also leaning backwards as well, so I'll have to do something about that in a minute as well. Maybe I'll just turn him like that. That looks a bit better. He just needed a bit of a turn. Okay, let's start inking here, and then maybe what I've forgotten will come back to me. I'm sure I've forgotten something serious with a SpongeBob drawing here. Whack it in the comments if you know what I've forgotten. Or if there is something I've forgotten, maybe it just doesn't look right to me at the moment. Sometimes a drawing doesn't look right until it all comes together at the end. Again, you can be a lot more neat than I'm being on here when you do yours. Is he wearing gloves, SpongeBob? Is he a gloved guy? I can't remember. Drawn a few in my time, but I can't remember what the hands are like there. He's probably not gloved. He's not Mickey Mouse, is he? All those things coming across. Oh, his tie. There we go. I almost forgot his little shirt and tie doodah there. There we go. That's better. That's better. That's looking more SpongeBob-y now, isn't it? SpongeBob-y. It's a new character. So just follow your pencil lines around. Just like that. And we can have his nose coming like that. teeth, mouth. There we go. He's really coming together now. I'm using a brush pen here, but you can use any pen you like. I use a brush pen because it gives nice thick and thin lines. It's able to do both of those sort of things. And I thought his arm too high up there. It doesn't attach to his shirt now, does it? Let's see if I can extend that up somehow like this. And then we'll do a little. Oh no, I forgot his shirt sleeve. See, you can remedy these things when you do yours. Hopefully you can remember to remedy it at the pencil stage rather than the stage that I'm on. But I'm just showing you so you can sort this one out for yourself. Then he's got these little things that make him a sponge. These little holes. There we go. Fill that in. When you add the colour to him, he's going to really come to life as well. So once yours is done, I'm going to leave him there like that. That's more or less a SpongeBob, isn't it? And when you do yours, give it some colour, lots and lots of colour. Use a picture of SpongeBob to match up where your colours are going to go. And hopefully you'll end up with something that looks a bit like this. That's my one I drew earlier on my drawing tab, so it was all sort of digitalized after I'd drawn it by hand. So if you want to see me do something like that in the future, let me know in the comments. I'm very happy to do some videos with that. But don't stick to a SpongeBob SquarePants. Make it your very own. You could draw a SpongeBob Circle Pants. It could be round pants. Or you could draw a SpongeBob Pizza Pants. Or a SpongeBob Pencil Pants. Give it a go. Make your own SpongeBob and show me. I would love to see what you come up with. I'll see you next time. CaptainFishbeard.com. Please like and subscribe, and the buttons are coming. Press the buttons. Bye.